Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So Trump fired Jerome Powell, but is that the case though? So when you look at today's trade, we have this massive movement on gold, not just on gold alone, almost every single pair we have this massive movement. Whether it was pushing up or down, it was quite massive. Within an hour, everything pushed very fast, right? Now I was actually fortunate to make about 70k on this trade. This was marvelous. So I kept on wondering what was happening because there wasn't really any major news that could actually make price push this much high, right? So I had to check and I realized that it was just what a question that led to all this movement. What was the question? So a reporter actually asked Trump, was he actually willing to do what? Sack Jerome Powell? Because we've heard him talking about it what a couple of times, right? So this was his answer. Trump says it's highly unlikely he will fire Fed Chair Powell after broaching idea with what GOP reps. Now, obviously, we already know this wasn't going to be possible because, as you can see, it's even written just below. A recent Supreme Court what decision indicated that the president does not have the authority to remove officials at the Federal Reserve at will. So here, the highlighted part is what at will. So you can't just remove anybody that you want, right? But obviously, you already know that anything that has to do with Jerome Powell, even if he sneezes, trust me, the market is going to push massively. So that was just it. It wasn't really any serious thing. And Trump did not actually fire what Jerome Powell, and he can't actually fire him at will. He'll probably use a different thing to do what to fire him or wait for his turn to actually elapse so that they can remove him from office and actually implement another one. But yes, that did not happen. He did not fire what Jerome Powell, and he can't fire Jerome Powell at will, right? So that's just what we are having currently. Always try your best and be listening to news. You can see that I was lucky to catch the trade, but if you were actually in a what a sell trade, you would have been in the wrong side of the market because the way it pushed all the way up. Trust me, I had to get out of the trade very fast because it was very amazing and I don't want to lose the rewards that I was already having. I don't want to lose my profits, right? I just had to get out of the trade. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.